These parrots are beautiful, aren't they?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to take a closer look at them? Okay, let's
Yoo-hoo.
go. Did you see something, Ethan?
Ah.
Look, Ethan, the parrot is green.
Oh.
Slowly, Ethan. Don't scare the parrot.
Ah.
Take it easy, Ethan. You're getting closer.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Oh, don't be sad, Ethan. You can look for another parrot.
Hee hee.
What is that, Ethan? Oh, the parrot is red.
Ah.
Do not get caught by the parrot, Ethan.
Oh. Uh-huh.
These parrots seem to be very shy, Ethan. It's okay. Let's try again. Did you see another parrot, Ethan?
Oh.
The parrot is blue. Oh no! It's okay. Parrots don't like to be disturbed. It's not your fault.
Oh.
Look, Ethan, here they are.
Ew. Yahoo!
I think they like you after all. That was a lot of fun today. See you soon, Ethan. Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Ew.
Ethan, would you like to go fishing and learn colors today? Great! Then let's get started.
Oh. Ew.
Blue.
Yahoo!
Green. Orange.
Aha! Ew!
Purple.
Ah.
Red.
Yahoo!
Yellow.
Oh.
Perfect, Ethan. You caught so many fishes and learned so many colors today. Would you like to sum up?
Aha.
Blue, green, orange, purple, red, yellow. Bye, Ethan. See you next time. Hi, guys.
Minoma. Noni
What are you
nama.
up to today?
Mo mino man.
Oh, so Father's Day is coming up and you don't know what to give your father? What about a new
Oh.
bumper?
Papi, no mami.
He got one for Christmas, did he? But a new windshield, maybe?
Mino na mimi.
Oh, that was his birthday gift. Come on, guys, we need to think of something.
Oh,
Ah.
Ethan? I wonder what he is up to.
ha.
Did you get some ties? But don't you think that's a bit too usual?
Nino na nani.
You're right, Ethan. What dad wouldn't want a new tie on Father's Day? Which one will you give him?
Ah.
Oh, don't worry. Let's have a look at them and see which one you want to give away.
Aha.
Wow, these are really cool ties. By the way, do you know the patterns and colors of them?
Oh,
Oh.
Okay, let's learn it then. We will start with this one. Oh, you know the color of the pattern?
Maribara.
That's right, Ethan. The pattern is red. And what about the pattern itself then?
mani mani map.
You are right, little Ethan. This tie has dots. The pattern is called polka dot. What about this one then?
Manino mana.
That's right, little Ethan. The pattern has the same color as the sky on a clear morning. And what is that color called?
Non,
Blue! That's right! And what about the pattern then?
Mana ma.
You are right! There are stripes all over the tie, so the pattern is called striped. Now to the last one.
No me ma.
Well noted, Ethan. The pattern has the same color as your wheels, and they are black. Let's see if little Ethan can figure out the pattern.
no me ma.
That's right, little Ethan. It does look like a board for checkers. So the pattern is called checked.
Ah.
Let's repeat the colors and patterns again. Ethan, do you remember the first tie?
Maribara.
You are right. It has red polka dots. What about the second one, little Ethan?
Manino mana.
That's right as well. The second one was striped in blue. And finally, the third one?
No me ma.
You are good at this, guys. It's checked and it's black. But which of them do you want to give to your dad?
Maribara baba.
Maribara.
Good choice, guys! The polka dot one is really nice. Are you going to keep the others?
Ah. Oh.
Wow! You really look fancy now. Are you off to deliver the Father's Day gift? That's really nice of you.
Yoo-hoo.
Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, everybody. Happy Father's Day. Hello, Ethan. How are you today? Look at all these targets.
Ah.
What do you say we aim and count them at the same time? Great! This will probably open this chest, don't you think?
Yahoo.
Let's start with the red target then.
Oh.
One.
Yahoo.
Very good, Ethan. Now, concentrate to aim the green target.
Oh.
Two. Impressive, Ethan.
Yoo-hoo.
Try the purple target.
Ah.
Oh no,
Oh.
you missed, Ethan. You need to hit the target to unlock the chest. Three.
Yahoo.
Great throw, Ethan. Now, focus on the yellow target.
Hoo.
Four. Impressive, Ethan.
Yahoo.
Two more and you'll be able to open the chest,
Ah.
Ethan. Look at that dark blue target. Five. You're good at this, Ethan. Concentrate for the orange target, Ethan.
Oh.
Six.
Hoo.
Last target, Ethan. Look at the pink one coming up.
Ah.
Seven.
Yahoo.
Good. Now let's see what is inside that chest.
Ah.
This is such a good surprise, Ethan. See you soon, my friend.
Yahoo.